Yes, welcome back, guys. Welcome to Global Gift TV. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make money from logo, without any tech or any knowledge. You can make money for yourself creating logo for people. I'll show you the website you can create logo, and I'll show you how to do it step by step process. If you're into this channel, can subscribe to the channel, like and comment below. Here in Global Gift TV, we talk how to make money and how to make money. If you're into this channel, can you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like, okay? I post video daily on how to make money. You can also check some of my content on how to make money for yourself. Here on People Per Hour, this is a freelancing website where you can be making money for yourself at home. It does not require you should be going to outside, or no, it does not require anything. But yeah, you just have to acquire one skills or the other online. Yeah, let's search for business logo. Yeah, you can search for peopleperhour.com. Let's search for business logo, and let's see how much people are creating logo for people. You're serious about this opportunity, you can be making at least $100 in a day creating logo for people. Okay, this is a nice logo right here. This is a nice logo. Sales logo from Award UK. This logo worth $170. Okay, that logo alone worth $170 because the logo is very attractive. It's very good. Okay, it's a professional video. I give it a like thumb. Okay, this another one here. This one is another logo here, another logo design. This one is $20. It's charging $20 per logo. Okay, it's delivered in a day. Okay, but I'll teach you and I'll tell you exactly you can do it for yourself. Okay, this one charge $30 creating logo for people. This one charge $175 creating this kind of logo for people. Okay, this logo is very nice. Okay, like this logo, you are used to all this logo, all this business WhatsApp logos. These are one of their logos, and it's charging $20 in Nigeria. Let's say approximately 8,000 naira, making 1,000 naira in a day or more than that, creating logo for people. Okay, this one is charging $240. Let's say money to Nigeria, it is like 90,000 to 100,000 naira. Okay, here's another logo design. Okay, for showing you all this design, just to show you how people are making money from it. Okay, the first thing that you come to this website called peopleperhour.com, are going to register. You sign up, click on the sign up, register your account, put out your details there, and if you want to register, you see start living your work dream. Okay, you come here as I want to work as a freelancer. Okay, you can also sign up with your email or your Facebook account. Click here down. Let's say you want to sign up with your Gmail. Okay, you put your details, your first name, your last name, your email, and your password. Okay, after you have come here, what happens is that in your niche you want to pick on your gig, you put that you want to become a logo design. After doing everything in your content there, you tell them that I can create a logo for you. You can create a logo for you. You tell them, like telling them let me create my account here just to show you guys. Okay, Global Gift. Email globalgift40, password. Okay, you sign up your account. Okay, you sure you sign up your account, and they ask you the category you want. Okay, you have to check the category you want. Maybe it's check and programming. You are not doing that today, okay? The one you are concerned about is here, photo and graphic design. Just come to design here, logo design, just pick one niche there, okay? That will be your niche. Let's sign up. You will sign up your account. After done with your registration, you start working as a freelancer. Okay, let's check with how people are. Okay, wait. Okay, here now I will show you how to make your own gig on Fiverr, on people per hour. Right, here on people per hour, this guy said, okay, just read the it right up now. Like this one, he said he can do a logo for you, launching a business of it. Okay, you're going to check everything what this guy said. Okay, after checking everything, you make sure you do your own. That is very relevant to this. Like he said, working hours. You can do any logo in any working hours, but if you go to per hour, you tell them that you can create a logo for you in the next 1 hour or the next 30 minutes. They'll be surprised that how can you do a logo for me in the 30 minutes? They'll be surprised, and they're going to give you the job. Make sure you take time to you check your time and be very honest with them. That's what they want. Because if you know, let's say they give you the job, you not do it, they're going to give other people to do it. What happens is that they are not going to use you for the service again. And this guy have 2,000 reviews. Like 2,000 people have patronized him, and is charging $170. Let's say $170 times 240. Do your calculation on your calculator and drop it on the comment section so that I can know how much it is. Okay, he's making a huge amount of money, more than $1 million is making, guy. Let's check the simplest and the simple one that people are making. Maybe the one that is making like $10 or $20. Let's go back there. I'm checking the one of $10. Okay, let's search for business logo again, and make sure you create your gigs very well so that people can patronize you. But you don't know how to create the gigs. Just go to YouTube, search for how to create gigs on YouTube. But some of these days I can just show you guys how to create a gig on Fiverr, people per hour, and others platform. It's very easy. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, now let's check this guy now. Let's check this design here now. He's charging $20. Okay, it's like $20 per one. These are his design. He said he can do here. Are you seeing? He said has been doing this work 2013. Okay, let's check his reviews. He has 2,000 reviews too. Calculate $20 times 2,000. Calculate it and drop the comments in the description below. In the comment below, okay. After seeing all this now, let me go to Fiverr.com. This is the best freelancer. You can work, you can get paid easily. And most of these freelancers, if you want to get paid, you have to have Payoneer account. To create a Payoneer account, you need your MasterCard, you need your ID card as a Nigerian, you need your national ID card, you need your driving license. I think so. You need that one too. So you can create your. Okay, let's check business logo here. Okay, business logo. Let's check how much people are charging for their logos here. Wow. These people they are here, they are very like this one is charging $10 and it has 5,000 reviews. Just check calculator and calculate it by yourself. But I'm going to show you the site you are going to create the logo. Just watch this video to the end. Okay. It will depend how your logo is, has the quality, depend how people are going to pay you. But if your logo is rubbish, I'm sorry for you, I will not pay you anything. See this guy now. This guy is charging $1,500 for one logo. Let's check the logo, guys. A pro service. Okay, this is what is just making for people. I think you can be creating this for people, as it's charging $1,500. Guys, wake up. Okay, this is I'm talking about the gigs. 6 gigs now. About the gig, hello, we are a graphic designer studio in Italy. We are focused on brand identification creation. We drive into a create brilliant and functional brands. This is own gigs here. I already told you how to create your gigs. Just you need some text just to create your gigs. Just tell you what you can do. Okay, this is what you can do here. Social media design advert. This is a very simple thing. It's very simple. It has been on Fiverr since 2018. See how much this guy have make from Fiverr. Wow. Okay, his last deliver was 1 hour. You understand me, right? The last job he did on Fiverr, it was yesterday. That means a day ago. This is here. So I've seen it here. Okay, this is here. A day ago he did a service for them on Fiverr, and he's making his money. Just making this simple design. And this simple design is very easy to do. Very easy to do. Okay, it's very easy to do. See what he's doing, guys. Okay, after let's do here. Okay, you can check some of the couples of business logo, and after checking it, you can create your own and show them how you can do this. And what happens is that anytime a seller contacts you that want to create a logo, people are making money from designing business logo. $295 just per one. This is $495. Okay. Okay, pro verified. Wow. Okay, let's go to where you are going to design it for yourself. Okay, guys, people are making money from designing logo online. You have to wake up, guys. You have to wake up. This is another design again, charging $10. Okay, in a week approximately you can be making $100. Or in a day, let's say in a day, you can be making approximately $100 creating logo for people. Yeah, the site you are using today is brandlogo.com. Okay, it is brandlogo.com, where you can create your logo for people. It's very easy here. I'll show you. I'm going to give you 3 websites you can use. This is one of them. Brandmark.com. Okay, brandmark.com. Okay, brandmark.com. You can create a unique professional logo for your business. It's very easy. Just create my logo here. Create my logo here. You put your sample and everything, you are good to go. Okay, you can create your account here. Where you see your login, you can create an account here. Okay, you can put your brand name. Let's say global gifts TV money updates, and you can put your slogan. We make the best. Okay, just click on next and click on design you want. You can put some few keywords you want to put. You can check some example there like snaps, cookies. Okay, let's check. Let's use this one now, Bitcoin. Okay, let's say you put Bitcoin there. Cryptocurrency. Okay, click on next and choose any style you want your video to be. Any style you want, you can choose any. Let's go for the one of this. Okay, let's just choose this blue there. Just create logo, and it's generating logo for you. Automatically. Okay, it's going to give us some design of our logo here. Okay, these are some of our designs. Okay, this one is somehow good. Give me the cryptocurrency for us here. Global Gift TV money updates. Okay, this one is good. So this is many of the logos, and you can go to Fiverr and people per hour, telling them you can do logo for them. Let's say you can charge as low as, for starter, you are starting from the beginning, you can charge as low as $10 for them. As people are coming, we're charging high prices. Okay, what you do. This logo too is very good. Okay, it's very good. These are nice logo, and you're not paying for anything there. It's just free. Everything is free there. Like this one now, it's very, very nice there. Okay, Global Gift TV money update. We make the best. Wow. You have nice logos. That's how to create a logo for yourself. But you don't want to use this site, I'll give you another site to use. You can change some design. They are very, very nice. Okay, I'll give you another one to use. You can use snapper.com. Okay, let me give you designmatic.com. Matic.com. Okay, this one is not showing here. I don't know why. Your phone, you can check for designmatic.com. You can also create a logo for you. You can also create a design logo for you. Okay, let's check Spark Adobe. Okay, let's use sparkadobe.com. Spark Adobe. Okay, this one is called Spark Adobe. You can be creating a logo for yourself. Free online photos design tools. Okay, it's a logo design maker. You can also create a logo for yourself there and be making a lot of money. I seen there. Okay, you can create any logo. This one is very, very, templates are very, very good. Also go to Play Store to download it. Adobe Express. Okay, you can download it for yourself. You can create different types of logo. You can choose any background you want. It's easier for you. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. You can check them. They are very, very nice logo. You can create it for yourself. Make sure you sign up. Okay, you can always use it on your phone. You have to download the app. That's how it works there. Okay, I'm going to stop here. Try and watch the tutorial very well, and make sure anything you don't understand then, try and watch it from the beginning so that you can understand it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.